Wagner Lighting H5006 Headlight, box of 1 brand. Wagner lighting color. Assorted specific uses for product headlights. Vehicle service. Type car, truck wattage, 55 watts. Auto part position front lens. Color clear item dimensions. LXWXH4, 4 into 0.9 into 5.1 inches. Manufacturer Wagner lighting model, H5006, item weight, 12. 8 ounces product dimensions 4 into 0.9 into 5.1 inches. Country of origin USA item model number H5006 is discontinued by manufacturer, no manufacturer. Part number H5006, OEM part number H5006, shines bright, delivers a brighter, whiter light and longer life than incandescent lighting, high quality. Extra strong filament withstands vibration and coated terminals inhibits corrosion for challenging conditions. Non-reflective bottom shelf reduces glare in rain, snow, and fog. SAE compliant. Wagner lighting products are Department of Transportation, DOT, compliant and meet or exceed Society of Automotive Engineers, SAE standards.